So in today's video, we're going to be doing another at-home DIY photo shoot. We're going to be doing 3 different looks, and we're going to be using our fig plants as our prop. I'm pretty much excited. So pick up your iPhone because it's another iPhone DIY at-home photo shoot that you can try by yourself.
Draw me in slowly, brown eyes stare at me boldly.
So for the first section, we're going to be going for this happy, summery, sunny vibe. I'm going to be wearing this yellow sweater that I am currently wearing, and I'm going to add some sunflowers to my hair, and I'm going to use another large sunflower as my prop, and we're going to get into the shoot.
I want to take a chance on you. Real life, loving you so true. I want long talks, Friday nights, kissing by the poolside. All night, 2 a.m. clear skies, dancing under shining lights. All night. Tell me why I can't sleep without you at my side. You got me feeling like a fool when you pick these fights. Tell me why you have so much pride. Tell me why I can't sleep tonight. Tell me why.
So right now we're about to do section number 2. For this one, I am just wearing this oversized shirt that have been in my wardrobe for quite some time. So this whole section is basically going to be a bunch of like fig plant type section. So I'm kind of curious to see where this takes us. But yeah, I'm just gonna like do a little quick setup in the background here, and then we're gonna get started with section number 2. So let's get into it.
I set myself on fire just to keep you warm, but then my heart grows so tired of what have we become. 'Cause I've been waiting forever, trying to mend us together, but time to show me no better. You're just another disaster. I set myself on fire just to keep you warm, but then my heart grows so tired. But what have we become? What have we become? What have we become? What have we become?
Okay, also for this section, we're going to be going for this gypsy vibe. So I'm wearing this top that I actually got from Zara, and a maxi skirt. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm wearing this maxi skirt that I got from thrifting. So yeah, and then I have a hair wrap that I also got from thrifting. So this is going to be the outfit for this section. I'm just going to do a little quick setup, and we're gonna get right into it.
Don't like reflecting, just makes me anxious. Don't wanna talk about it. I've seen it before, you're not looking for a big commitment. Why is it so hard to want this? I never wanted, but now that I want it, I always ruin the party by saying I'm sorry, but I need more than this. It's not even you that I'm crying over. Yeah, it's true. You kind of fucked me over, but I'm just mad that I haven't had the chance to
All right, y'all. So that does it for today's photo shoot section. I hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of actually did enjoy making this. It was fun, and I can't wait to do more of these. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. Don't forget to stay creative. Continue to keep practicing. You're gonna get better at it. I am gonna see you in the next one. But until then, stay true to yourself and peace. We're out.